Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack now, right? Uzoba omontos, a bit of what's going on in KZN and that whole thing. Uthola abantu nje bebhizi nalo baba abantu. UPC, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, Police Commission. Umuntu hard worker of news, but people are always trying to find loopholes. But uSgebengu una something busy nezigebengu inside prison nezinye futhi igebengu abafuna ukuyibopha. I'm just like, awungeke guys, abantu they must just stop it. They've been trying him, this guy. I made a video about him a week ago. Kunini bemzama. They must just leave this guy alone. Guys, we start with the news zaseNanda. INanda angazi guys. Fana ngiyazi that much. But Emmawood or whatever like is going on there. I'm just like, hey, guys, when did you get here? You can't even walk there in the streets apparently. In Newsroom Africa, guys, people were attacked there. Abasebenzele Newsroom Africa with their cameras and everything. The cameras ended up zithathwa umuntu nje abangamazi, but who kept the cameras. They ran for their lives. I was just like, guys. Sifigenin. What are they even trying to do there? They're trying to cover some case. Another police officer, which is actually like the third one, because two have already been deleted there. INanda. Isiyasabisa INanda, but I thought police officers were actually deployed there. So what happened? Where are they? But they're supposed to be walking there in the streets of INanda every day, all day, you know. Texas njalo Newsroom Africa employees babhizi namakhamera lapha babhizi one of the police officers trying to cover the story sakhe, who was actually deleted by abanye futhi lapha, and he was off duty lo muntu, just walking trying to buy something at a spaza shop nababantu babhizi naye. But him actually managed to during the shooting shot one guy, but who just ended up injured. The police came. But the way it was, I think the guy off the cameras or the newsroom guys called the police. Bafik. In newsroom, most of my stories is Landa corner. Anyways, I listen to Newsroom Africa almost the whole day. Maybe not necessarily the whole day, because 9 to 5 years, yeah, but here and there, and then I just listen to all the stories that have been happening. When I saw this story, I was just like, ngeke guys. It's a lot. Crime manje. And just as much as they said the other day, Gqeberha is leading. But I KZN has a cup. I'm like, why guys? It just never used to be like this. What can be done? There full time. And he wasn't even on duty, like I'm saying, this guy. Wait, hanging. Like you can't even walk the streets. It's like, is there anything like that? Wow. Almost every organization in South Africa is busy with Omotos. Abadlali naye. He might go back to jail. But remember I said, guys, because Omotos must just go back home. And Omotos said to us when they were speaking to him, inside court and outside. But so going forward, what I'm 67 in July. Ngatele nje in life. But my thing is that if you are 67 in July, just go back home. Why didn't you just go back home the following day? I mean, that's just my thing. He's going back, and at this time, if he does go back, go back there are the ones that were actually calling these girls to his house. ingane ezenza i-HT lo. How can, if wenza i-HT, money laundering, racketeering, and all sorts of things nje ezingekho right in life, why are you outside walking the streets again with the same people? Uyabona ukuthi kakukho right. People like no akabuyele. Yazi akekho umuntu engisamuzwe ethi hayi man kodwa uMotoso guys. Alright, except obviously for the people that goes to his church, the ones that he brainwashed, the ones that you've seen outside court and inside court, the ones that were screaming when Emma Skuman said the judgment. They were like, inside court. I was like, wow. And then another guy was like, stop it. And Emma Skuman was not even finished with her judgment. Abantu basabe scream. Immediately after 2 I know NPA does not have anything on Omotoso. Bahlulekile kusho Emma Skuman to give me everything that I wanted. Ethi lo baba lo fanele besejele. Oh, people went crazy there. Omotoso supporters. Omotoso bapis night yesterday. What was yesterday? Yesterday was the 10th. Bayenze meeting, but no. Lawyer spiznaye uyabuyela ejele. No, I was just gonna go back to Nigeria, guys, and never come back. I said even on one of my videos last week. That's why I was not even gonna think it twice. I was just gonna go back home. At 67, you don't even start over. You just stay at home. In your own country. Why would I even care? Manje bamdonsa. They're like, no. They're dragging her to filth. But they're like, no, akahambe. Ejele. I also co-accused. I was still saying about the two ladies. They are the ones who used to lie the children to his house. Emhlanga. Enzingani izinto lo baba. So many counts dropped, all of them. Akona one. Inganza testify. Manje you didn't find anything. Here's why mina nje ngimgxekile ku Emma Skuman as just like lo mama lo ngeke. And it turns out Omotoso was living large in prison. I see the way I say it's not better than Thabo Bester. But Thabo Bester was living large every Friday, almost all the Fridays. Wayihlangana noNandipha in some hotel, G4S, that he owns that hotel in Bloemfontein. Ayolala khona Fridays, noNandipha wakhe baze baphume Sunday or Monday even, Uber Eats. Is there anything like that? But guys, but Omotoso was in another level. Have you seen Omotoso gqoka kanjani? Hey, Omotoso dresses, guys. Have you seen the two ladies? Have you seen their hair in that court? That's the kind of life figure that they live. Omotoso and those two ladies back. Abangekho right. Omotoso, but he was living like so large, like you've never seen. His Nigerian food that he likes. They used to bring him, but you could say good dressed as such. He doesn't really smile as such, but he was more like, what are you gonna do? You you can tell also had people behind him. He didn't need anyone. People were pulling strings. There was a lot. And people got angry because this Pamela Mabin, sisters law, was a Kabeka Obe whistleblower or Abulawa outside her home. Just 3 weeks actually, before Omotoso Apum. People were just like, then. What is now Omotoso, guys? I said last week, I'm giving him a week. Let's just see how it goes with him. Good to everybody who's involved in Omotoso's case, including the investigative officers. Babiznab. Let the tree start, because then it's these loopholes That's where they are saying it's a long string of people abahlangene ngenkohlakalo. Angithi you see it la in Senzomiwa's case. As it is now, as we control, because we just like, how do we control it now? It's gone too far. So no Omotoso is the same. So sizoke sime kancane ngo-Omotoso guys, but nje i-inquiry has been made ukuthi how can such a person can be acquitted on all charges. It's impossible, guys. Let's just face it and stop being pretentious. Those pretenders. Oh no, actually, he is a good man. No, he's not. This guy's not a good man at all. And you know what? What is even crazy? He used God to do inkohlakalo yakhe. I was just like, awongeke. uNkulunkulu angithi create umhlaba, guys. Lona aqhamuke bese beguqile nosisi futhi sebethandaza. Uthandazana inkohlakalo? Ngeke. We can't have him. Mina ngimfuna ngwasa la in my own country. Ahambe impela. Kahambe impela ngimazi ukuthi uyapi. Kahambe. Sidlulela kuMkhwanazi. UMkhwanazi nje, they've just been busy with him. Everything yakhe bamenza izinto, bamkhuluma kabi. And then there was a time he made a statement a week ago. And then he was saying, Brigadier, who's busy with me. Yo, I laughed so hard. I was just like, I can't Kininda, guys. Is it not Brigadier? Wongani Kininda. I was like, Brigadier from where? You know what was crazy about that though? He was like, the Brigadier Kininda is from Johannesburg. I was done. I was just like, Opis, Omkuluma Gabi. In high-ranking people, I'm a bosses. Mkhwanazi. I was like, a Brigadier. What's in man? I even knew. What's in no? Brigadier Opizinai. Wow. He doesn't want to tell us the name of the brigadier. So basically, Mkhwanazi, UPC Mkhwanazi has been cleared by IPID. The inquiry that was written to IPID about him, ukuthi unobuqhophololo nezinto nomshosha phansi, basically stuff that is doing with some case yaseqala kabusha, unama prisoners there up is now. Guys, is there anything like that? Like I said about him last week, Mkhwanazi ukuthi, let me tell you, about in South Africa, if you're doing a nice job, if you're a hard worker of note, wenza nje umsebenzi wakho purely clean, bazokufuna izinto, bazokufuna, bakuzame, guys, why? You just nje be legit and genuine in life and work. Ufuna something. Why are we these people? Ukubona le nto le lo baba abantu kunini bemzama and bahlule, and he just continues avela igqokele uniform yakhe and go to work. He doesn't care, and he said it in quite a few statements, especially for the past 3 weeks. Ukuthi ayibo mina ngisazi, there's even a brigadier that is involved in my situations. Why are people like this? Bangifuna in. So basically IPID had to withdraw yonke into and the inquiry that was made about uMkhwanazi ngoba babethe no thina sicela statement from you usitshele kahle what's going on iqala kabusha and the scabbing of the skeletons that are inside the prison and stuff, and how are you involved in that? uMkhwanazi is like, no abantu, so yonke into ivele yaphelele emoyeni after abanye kuthiwa ba driver la ezinye izikhulu zase SAPS that drove from Pretoria cabanga to go to Richards Bay to speak to IPID ukuthi nangumuntu. Guys, let's go on angabhoreki elifini. So there's gonna be a march that has been organized by people for Mkhwanazi for his no-nonsense approach. Nokuthi that whole thing yokuthi bathi he was protecting someone there at Kalakabusha prison, including a corrupt, besides some prisoners he was protecting, including a corrupt correctional services head there. So the march was organized to help out Mkhwanazi in support of him. It's called Hands Off. Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Cabanga guys, and abantu babhizi naye. Yo, and he's so confident when he speaks about this. He's like, hey, oh, I don't care about anyone. Ngiyazazi mina ukuthi ngimephi with my no-nonsense approach. So sime lapho kancane guys ngendaba zaMkhwanazi no-Omotoso. Ngiyabonga for the support guys. I appreciate you so much. Nginthanda over.